Greetings, folks, and welcome to Week 4 of Marine Bio Vodcast. This week's section we're learning about the overfishing of the Alaskan pollock. Tell me, Luke, what do we know about the Alaskan pollock?
Well, it's a species of the cod family, Cadidae, and it's a schooling fish that is mostly found in the North Pacific.
Oh, and I heard most of the populations are also found in the Bering Sea.
Yep.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah. All right. Is that
also, the Alaskan pollock is said to be the largest remaining source of palatable fish in the world of fishing. Wow. Take a look at that there.
Yeah. And I've also heard 3 million tons of pollock are caught each year in the North Pacific.
Wow.
Yeah.
Tell me more.
Also, John, U.S. fisheries catch 1.5 million tons a year from the Bering Sea.
Well, Luke, I'm no expert, but I'll say that's quite a bit of fish.
Sure is. All right, folks, we're going to take a quick commercial break.
Don't go anywhere. Has this ever happened to you?
I have no Alaskan pollock.
Have no Alaskan pollock.
We have no Alaskan pollock. I have no Alaskan pollock.
Have no Alaskan pollock.
I have no Alaskan pollock.
We have no Alaskan pollock.
If you or a friend is suffering from having no Alaskan pollock, call 555-SAVE-POLLOCK now so you can help the Alaskan pollock, like my friend Derek here. Remember, call 555-SAVE-POLLOCK now. That's 555-7283-7655-625-669. Alright folks, welcome back. Thank you for joining us, and we're going to continue our discussion of the overfishing of the Alaskan pollock. So, the landings are the largest of any single species in the entire U.S., meaning it's the most caught fish anywhere in North America.
Wow.
Yes. And the pollock are typically fished using pelagic or midwater trawl nets.
Yes, and did you know that the two main pollock fisheries are the Gulf of Alaska fishery and the Eastern Bering Sea fishery?
Yes, and I also heard that, according to my notes here, that Greenpeace placed the pollock in the red list of endangered fish species, meaning it's highly endangered of becoming extinct.
Alright, now let's talk about why the Alaskan pollock is so overfished.
Well, Luke, I believe that the Alaskan pollock has a mild taste, white color, and a low oil content.
Yes, and this makes the high-quality pollock fillets ideal for breaded and battered fish products.
And I believe the lower quality ones, lower quality fillets, are used for products such as fish sticks.
Yes, John, the lower quality ones are used for the common fish stick. And it is also raw material for surimi, which is an imitation crab meat in sushi.
Here, Alaskan pollock meat is also used by the common fast food chain.
Yes, it is, and some examples of that are the Filet-O-Fish sandwich and the Fish McBites at McDonald's.
And on that note, we're going to head to another commercial break, folks. Don't go anywhere, we'll be back in just a few.
Con los terroristas.
And we're back! And we're going to take a look at the effects of the overfishing of the Alaskan pollock.
Yes, the decline in numbers of the pollock has said to have dropped 50% in the past couple years.
Yes, Luke, and when that happens, it doesn't just go up by itself. It also puts a major dent in the number of seals as well as other marine mammals in that ecosystem that rely on the pollock for food. It also hurts the Alaskan fishing economy.
Yeah, the collapse of the fishing industries puts a lot of people out of work as well.
It's very harmful.
Alright, John, since pollock numbers have dropped 50%, it is possible that the species could go entirely extinct in the near future. So we better come up with some solutions fast.
Yes, Luke, immediate action is needed to help stop the overfishing of the pollock. Some of the ideas to help save the pollock include implementing designated marine reserves so the pollock cannot be fished while they are trying to grow, finding other sources of fish for a substitute for the pollock, and even shortening the pollock fishing season.
But that can cause major problems for fishing communities, as fishermen need to earn a living while the season is closed.
That's good. I'm smooth gravy.
Alright, John, since the pollock numbers have dropped 50%, it's possible that the species could go entirely extinct in the near future. So we better come up with some solutions fast.
Yes, Luke, immediate action is needed to help stop the overfishing of the pollock. Some ideas to help save the pollock include implementing designated marine reserves so pollocks can grow without having the pressures of being fished upon them, finding other sources of fish for a substitute for the pollock, and even shortening the pollock fishing season.
But that can cause problems for major fishing communities, as fishermen need to earn a living while the season is closed.
The overfishing of Alaskan pollock has led to a treachery of fishing and a beatdown on the pollock community in Alaska. Not only is the local community being affected, but also the whole nation, because in those fish bites you eat, yes, that is Alaskan pollock. The government continues to try and cut back and continues to try and stop the commercial fishermen from killing the species. Please call 555-421-834-5614-78-910 to save the pollock. Thank you, and I really, really, really hope that you enjoyed the show.